It is a true humbling honor to be here right now. I was born and raised in Edison my whole life, and one of the most beautiful things that I was able to see was the growth of Edison Township and the growth of the diversity and the growth of the Indian American community. I'm incredibly humbled and honored to be here right now as an Indian American myself. Serving on the council has been a great privilege, and it's events like these as we celebrate Dussehra. It's so exciting to see how large of a population we've become. It's one of the things that we should be especially proud of is our population right now. We've come so far, and there's so much more to go. As we celebrate Dussehra, I look around and I see so many young children here. When I was younger in Edison Township, much before I became an elected official, I always wanted to learn about our Indian culture, our heritage, and our religion. And as I went on, I was able to learn a lot more because there are so many more people. As we celebrate this holiday, let's all remember one thing, that as we continue to grow as a community, we always have to do our part and make sure we voice our opinions and voice the strength of our community. Next, just in less than 25 days, please remember to go out and vote. That is the most important thing that you can possibly do. Thank you so much, everyone.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Joshi. Wish you the good luck. As I said,
my name is Anuj Sharma, and I'm an attorney at law. I have my own law firm, practice immigration mostly. And I know Chanchal auntie for the last 5 to 6 years. She's our neighbor, and she was asking me for the last few years to get involved and start helping her for the event. So this year, I got involved and I really helped her to do the stuff we are seeing here today on the stage. We put together everything along with the Ravna. It was an honor to be a part of this organization. I haven't been an active member of any other organization, but this one I really feel close to because Anchal auntie is like a family to us. So when she asked, I had to get involved. So everybody has done a tremendous hard work to get this, to put this whole event together. I would say, we just have to get it to a second level from here now. I mean, due to COVID, we see it's not like as packed as it used to be, but we understand. But for next few years, I think it's gonna be really good. We just need to put more extra hard work and get more young people involved like myself. Like yesterday when I came, I see all these lovely people, doing the stuff, but I felt they need young people like us to help them around as well. More manpower is required for sure to get this thing to a different level now. So I wish them all the best and will always support them in every single way I could.
My name is Chanchal Gupta. I am the chairperson of the Dussehra festival. My husband Mangal Gupta ji started in 99. After that, my very good team like Raj Mittal ji, Atul Sharma ji और राजीव शर्मा जी, उनके साथ बहुत और भी बहुत लोग हैं जिनका मैं नाम लेते लेते तो बहुत देर लग जाएगी. और आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दोज टीम. दे आर रियली द पिलर ऑफ माई Dussehra program. And this Dussehra program is only celebrated in Tri-West area in New Jersey in Pipani Park. So far, since this is our 23rd year, and I am very blessed with the God that God has given me very good people. Those are working with me, and this Dussehra program is very good festival. All this is the education for the new generation. They don't know where is Ram, what is Ravan. So this is only the culture we are spreading by this Dussehra program. And I am very happy to see people are enjoying for the shopping, the food, and we have very good sponsors, Mana TV and all that. They are very sponsor of the food, like Chapati restaurant, pizza restaurant, and the Bombay restaurant. So many restaurants, they are really sponsoring us, and we are thankful. All the people, those are sponsoring, and I am appreciate that God has helped us too much for the weather. The weather is very good, and people are enjoying.
जय श्री राम। मेरा नाम वर्षा नाइक है और मेरे साथ है अतुल शर्मा जी, कमल डागा जी,
Anuj Sharma ji.
Anuj Sharma ji. So thank you so much Atul ji for giving me opportunity to choreograph and direct Ram Leela for last 9 years. This is the 17th show, and thank you so much audience. Thank you so much all the viewers from न्यू जर्सी, न्यूयॉर्क, कनेक्टिकट, सब जगह से सब आए हैं रामलीला को देखने के लिए। आफ्टर पैंडमिक दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट कम्युनिटी इवेंट, एंड भगवान जी की कृपा से एवरीथिंग वेंट सो वेल, एंड इट इज़ ओनली पॉसिबल बिकॉज वी हैव अ पॉजिटिविटी इनसाइड आवर सेल्फ। जब भगवान राम कहते हैं अच्छाई को हमेशा देखो, बुराई को मत देखो। सो इस अवसर पर मैं सबको बोलना चाहूँगी कि अपनी पॉजिटिविटी को अपने पास रखें, एंड प्लीज़ गेट रीड ऑफ योर नेगेटिविटी एंड स्टार्ट अ फ्रेश न्यू लाइफ। थैंक यू सो मच Mana TV for covering this event.
Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram.
One thing I want to say about Varsha ji, you've done a fabulous job.
Thank you.
She did a fabulous job.
Fabulous
Her
job.
team did very good, and we'd like to say thank you so much for Navrang Dance Academy, Varsha ji and your entire team. And I would like to thank for Indo-American Festival entire team who worked very hardly. Over Kishra Singhal ji did excellent job from New York to make the FEG. I would like to thank everybody for this, and our new staff, whoever the people who join us this year, and the one who are from here from last 19 years. Thank you so much. कमल जी, you would like to say something?
1999 से स्टार्ट होके आज जिस ऊंचाई पर हम पहुंचे हैं, ये सब आप दोस्त लोग, आप लोग आते हैं और दशहरा फेस्टिवल को इस तरह से इस ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाते हैं। दोस्तों, बहुत ही मज़ा आया, और आज का जो पेंडेमिक के बाद में ये जो पहला शो हम कर रहे हैं दो साल के बाद में, इतना सक्सेसफुल हम खुद नहीं सोच सके थे। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू दोस्तों, आप पधारे, एंड थैंक यू Mana TV for and TV5 for covering our show. Thank you so much.
I am Sunil Hali, and I'm a community activist in USA for Indian diaspora. I'm here at an extraordinary moment, extraordinary event. It's an annual event, the 23rd Dussehra celebration, which is happening in Addison, and it was started 23 years ago. And I distinctly remember Mangalji Gupta, late Mangalji Gupta is like an elder brother. We still feel him around us for the work that he has done. He and Chanchalji, she's carrying his mission. It's an amazing event. I'll tell you, when I came here and we had little kids, we had to bring them together and tell them about Dussehra. This is one thing that we all grew up with. Ram Leela was an essential part of our lives. In September, October, we were all going for Ram Leela, and then obviously leading to Dussehra, and then we were celebrating Diwali obviously for Mithai. Gupta ji has left a legacy here, this grand event which is universal, and you can see there we have whites in audience, we have Spanish in audience, we have blacks in audience, all kinds of audience, obviously people from all over India, especially in New Jersey, which is a very sizable population, big population, and the highest number of Indians in America, highest density. This is an amazing event. We wanted to keep on going, and we want to keep on giving the message from India, Lord Rama, that good will always prevail, and evil will be always out. There is no question about it. We remain grateful to Chanchal ji and her team, especially Raj Mittal, everybody else. I don't know all of them, but I personally feel grateful to them for the new generation, for the legacy that is being carried forward. The Dussehra is a symbol of India. The Dussehra is a symbol of goodness over badness. Thank you very much to Mana TV International, and TV5. And my friend Sridhar, always thank you so much, Sridhar, for what you do, your team does. We remain grateful to you too. Thank you. Sunil Ali.